Okay, I want to show you how to use the Bob barcoding system. It's a barcode out of box system developed by Strategico, and we've made available a module to do live counting of people going in and out of a facility. It's quite simple to set up and quite simple to use. So basically, all you need to do is you scan ID or driver's license of a person going into the facility, and also scan them again when they go out. And that way, the app will keep a live tracking of how many people are inside your facility. So during this time, we're fighting the COVID-19 epidemic. Um, what we have done at Strategico is to make the app available for free for anybody to use, as many companies, as many branches, as many users as you want. And I'm just going to show you how to register and set that up if you want to make use of the system. So it's quite easy. We'll share this link with you in the description of the video as well. But when you go to that URL, you basically just create your company. So I'm going to call this Bob, and you also create an admin email address. So admin@bob.co.za, and create a password. I'm just going to make it one. It can be anything, just for keeping it simple for now. And then also your first branch that is linked to that company. So you can create as many as you want, but I'm going to create Pretoria as my first branch. So once you've registered that, you can go into the system and create more. So successfully registered, continue to log in on your computer. So this is important. Do the administration on your computer. The mobile phones and the mobile version is used to scan and enter people into and out of your facility, record them into and out of the facility. So the administration, do that on your computer. So you can continue, and now you can log in with that user that you created. So you can log in. You can also put there, remember me, so that you don't need to type that in all the time, and then you can log in. So you can see at the moment, users per branch. I've only got one branch, and I've only got one user in that branch. So what we need to do is create more branches. So what I want is, I want a branch in Joburg. So we'll create that branch. All the other information is optional. You don't need to fill that in. This is used when you use the full Bob system for the logistics part of it, for deliveries and so on. And then we'll create another one. Let's make it Durban. Create branch. And then we can also create Cape Town. Create branch. Okay, so we've got our branches there, and we're going to go back to the admin. So now you'll see users. We've got 0 users in Cape Town, 0 in Durban, Joburg the same, and in Pretoria we should have still that 1. Now to add users to the specific different branches, you go to manage users, and you can see there's our 1 user. We want to create a new user, and over here what we'll do is, let's say Pretoria 1 at bob.co.za. That's our first user. You can use names, you can use anything you want, as long as it's in an email format. Okay, so password is 1, company is Bob, and I want to link that to my Pretoria branch. Create new user, create a second one. So let's just make one for Joburg as well. Joburg 1 at Bob, password, and link that to our Joburg branch. Okay, so we've got those users. I'm not going to create users for the other branches. You can see here now, if we go to Joburg, we should see that user. Okay, so now that's basically the administration that takes place on the portal on your PC. The second part is to actually start using the app on your smartphone. So you've got all the details here, the links to download the app, and I'm going to show you quickly how that works as well. Okay, so on your app phone, your smartphone, you will go to the App Store, log into the App Store. If you search for Bob Inventory, it should come up, Inventory Management. Just click on that, and you should find the Bob Inventory Management app, and you can download it there for free. So I've obviously got it on my phone. There's the icon. Go into the phone, into the app, and you should be able to log in with the users that you just created. So let's try the Joburg user. And all transactions for this user should then be recorded against the Joburg branch. So bob.co.za, 1, and log in. Okay, so once you log in, that's what you will see. At the moment there's no people in the facility, so you can scan a person in or you can scan a person out. And at the bottom of the screen you'll see there's a scan button that you can use to barcode scan. So let's scan the first person into our facility. It opens up the block where you can scan. Now just click on the scan button and it will open up the camera, and there we've scanned that first ID. We'll submit that, and now I've got one person in the facility. Now I don't have more IDs, but you can scan any barcode really, doesn't matter, as long as this person is identified by that barcode. So I've got a couple of barcodes here. Sorry, just scan in and then scan, and then we've got it, submit. There's 2, scan person in, scan, there's another one, submit, 3. So we've got 3 different people in our facility now as well. Now if I click on scan person out, the same process applies. I skip the scan button, let's scan the second one out, and then you'll see, and I hit submit. Now we've only got 2 people. And while this is going on, you've got the live dashboard as well. So if we log in here to our admin account, so admin add Bob, we should be able to see what's going on in all our facilities. So we can see there Joburg has got 1, and now let's just minimize this, actually put it there, and you can see it live. So when we scan another person out, press the scan button, submit. Now we've got 1, and you see it updates over here as well on the count. Okay, let's just scan another one in, scan, submit, and there we've got 2, and it updated there to 2. So quite simple to use, as you can see, simple to set up. Like I say, you can add as many people, users and branches to your company. It's all free, so please go and download it, make use of it, and let's try and keep safe during this very trying time for business. Thanks for watching.